Who has become the second Indian to go to space in June 2025 after Rakesh Sharma? Right answer is option B, Subhanshu Shukla. Which country hosted the 51st G7 summit in 2025? Right answer is option A, Canada. Who has won the men's singles title of French Open 2025? Right answer is option C, Carlos Alcaraz. Who has won Norway Chess Tournament title in 2025? Right answer is option A, Magnus Carlsen. The world's highest Chenab railway arch bridge is located in which state or union territory? Right answer is option B, Jammu and Kashmir. Which state has become the second state after Mizoram to attain full functional literacy rate? Right answer is option D, Goa. What is India's rank in the recently released Global Gender Gap Index 2025? Right answer is option C, 131st rank. Who became the 11th Indian cricketer to be inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame? Right answer is option A, MS Dhoni. Which country topped the medal tally at the Asian Athletics Championships 2025? Right answer is option B, China. Which team has won the 18th edition of the Indian Premier League? Right answer is option D, Royal Challengers Bengaluru. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of Research and Analysis Wing RA? Right answer is option C, Parag Jain. The Tamil Nadu government has announced the Greater Flamingo Sanctuary at which place? Right answer is option A, Dhanushkodi. Which country has won the UEFA Nations League title in 2025? Right answer is option B, Portugal. Which city has been officially declared as the leopard capital of India recently? Right answer is option D, Bengaluru. What is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index 2025? Right answer is option C, 10th rank. Where was first International Conference of Glaciers Preservation 2025 held? Right answer is option A, Dushanbe in Tajikistan. The RBI has granted NBFC license to which e-commerce company? Right answer is option B, Flipkart. The nomadic elephant joint military exercise was conducted between India and which country? Right answer is option D, Mongolia. Which team won the ICC World Test Championship in 2025? Right answer is option C, South Africa. Which two languages have been recognized as the official language of Ladakh for the first time? Right answer is option A, Bhoti and Purgi. Which country has the highest share in global energy investment according to the World Energy Investment Report 2025? Right answer is option B, China. Recently, Narendra Modi was honored with the Grand Cross of the Order of Macarius III of which country? Right answer is option D, Cyprus. Who has been named as the Global Ambassador for Esports World Cup 2025? Right answer is option C, Cristiano Ronaldo. India has been elected to the United Nations Economic and Social Council for how many years? Right answer is option A, 2 years. Which country will host the 10th Women's T20 World Cup in 2026? Right answer is option B, England. Which country will host the Billie Jean King Cup 2025 playoffs for the first time? Right answer is option D, India. The NATO Summit 2025 was recently held in which country? Right answer is option C, Netherlands. The World Day Against Child Labour 2025 was celebrated on. Right answer is option A, 12th June. Who has won the gold at the Paris Diamond League 2025? Right answer is option B, Neeraj Chopra, which has become the first state of India to introduce mobile e-voting facility. Right answer is option A, Bihar. International Yoga Day 2025 was recently celebrated on which day? Right answer is option C, 21 June. The Kitchen and Minar wetlands are located in which state that has been recently included in the Ramsar sites? Right answer is option A, Rajasthan. What is India's rank in the Energy Transition Index 2025 released by World Economic Forum? Right answer is option B, 71st rank. Which country joined the BRICS as the 10th partner country? Right answer is option D, Vietnam. Subhanshu Shukla was sent to the International Space Station under which mission? Right answer is option C, Axiom 4. Which state will host the 5th Khelo India University Games 2025? Right answer is option A, Rajasthan. Who topped the medal tally at the 78th Senior National Aquatic Championships held in Bhubaneswar? Right answer is option B, Karnataka. Which country has launched the Operation Midnight Hammer against Iran? Right answer is option D, United States. Which country hosted the Conwy Exercise 3 2025, the world's largest emergency exercise? Right answer is option C, Romania. What is India's rank in the Global Peace Index 2025? Right answer is option A, 115th rank. What is name of the mascot for 2025 World Para Athletics Championships? Right answer is option B, Viraj. What is India's rank in the 2025 Sustainable Development Goals Index? Right answer is option D, 99th rank. When is the World Rainforest Day 2025 celebrated? Right answer is option C, 22nd June. Where is India's first butterfly sanctuary been established? Right answer is option A, Aralam in Kerala. Which state has become the third fully literate state of India? Right answer is option B, Tripura. Who has topped recently the Global Peace Index 2025? Right answer is option D, Iceland. Where was the world famous Rath Yatra of Lord Jagannath started on 27th June 2025? Right answer is option C, Puri in Odisha. Where has the 2025 Indian Conservation Conference started? Right answer is option A, Uttarakhand. Which country hosted the SCO Defense Minister Meeting 2025? Right answer is option B, China. Who has won the 2025 Men's Hockey India Masters Cup? If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. If you like, saying subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.